Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is busy rolling out another update for Windows Subsystem for Android, which they made available a day or so ago, and this now bumps up the version to version 2306 and is available for testing in the preview channel because, as I've mentioned previously, WSA is currently not available to the general public. It's still in testing and is being tested in a specific region, so it's not available globally as mentioned previously. And as many of you would know, WSA allows you to be able to run Android apps on Windows 11. Now, as I have posted previously, WSA is not available in my region, but just to keep you updated and in the loop, if you are testing out and using WSA in your region, just to have a quick look at some of the key highlights from the release notes that Microsoft made available and bumped up to version 2306.40,000.1.0, which they say includes improvements to advanced settings, fixes for OneDrive folders, and also brings several requested features, which we'll take a quick look at, as mentioned, if you would be interested. Now, the first so-called key highlight would be the camera compatibility improvements, which now mean that this allows Android apps to access the camera hardware a lot more efficiently and better. And then moving on to the next year, another key highlight, full screen mode with F11 now displays hover taskbar to improve mouse and touch experience, which means now this gives you a better experience now with Android apps on Windows if you are testing out WSA in your region. And then this third one is also another requested key highlight, local networking under advanced settings, experimental features. And the long and the short of this is that it's now possible to connect Android apps to devices on the same network under advanced settings, experimental features, as we can see from the release notes, which replaces the previous advanced networking. And then something else here near the bottom, which is another key highlight, partially running mode now enabled by default for devices with at least 16 gigabytes of memory. So this means that this is a bit of a performance boost and could make WSA run faster on devices now with limited RAM or limited resources. So as you can see, if you have 16 gigabytes or lower, so if you've got 16 or 8 gigabytes as an example, you could see a bit of a performance increase and boost now with WSA on your device. And then one or two others just to mention here quickly, improvements to picture-in-picture. There's new user interface buttons when in PIP now. And as mentioned, there's also a fix for OneDrive folders not showing up in Android apps. And then as always here at the bottom, we get a Linux kernel update, which gets updated basically with every update to WSA. And then Android 13, which is the platform that currently runs WSA, gets its security updates, which do roll out from month to month. So that's it. That's the latest WSA version 2306 update, which Microsoft rolled out about 2 days or so ago. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.